I can imagine him looking toward the cross where it said, I will save you. He was thinking of all that he had to go through. But yet he knew that one thing about Lazarus. See, Lazarus didn't have the power to raise himself. Lazarus didn't have the power to undo the grave clothes that was on him. But see, Lazarus could not get up unless Jesus had raised him. But Jesus knew that when his time comes, because of his death, burial, and resurrection, he knew that he would lay in the grave 3 days and get up with all power. He didn't need no one to speak the word of God. Because like Reverend has been teaching us, the Father, Jesus said, the Father and I are one. They are in constant communion, day and night. Nothing that Jesus did, he did of his own power, but he did it through and because of the power of his Father. And see, with that power that Jesus had, when they laid him in the grave and he rose up not with some power, but he rose up with all power. But in this case here, because Jesus has shown that he has power over life and death. And I can imagine over there saying, he done spilled out our hands one more time. But he said, we'll meet again. But only to find out that he still don't have no power. And I say to hope tonight that I have said something to let you know that Jesus cares for us. That he cares for me. He cares for you. He cares about us. And the reason that I want you to fully understand that Jesus cares for us, he cares for me and you, is that God gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe on him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. But see, what did Jesus say? I didn't come to be a servant,